LaSalle, down by 5, as much as 5 here in this set, have stormed back to grab a 16-14 lead. Just like that.
Okay, just like that. And ang ganda rin naman na pagkakabunot ni Coach Ramil dito kay Esperanza. Actually, hindi man bunot to, pagkakabalik dito kay Esperanza.
Simula ng third set.
Yun nga yung luxury once again, ano, ni Coach Ramil.
Lalim nila.
Lalim lang talaga. And then when things are going wrong, let's say he wants a different view or a different set of plays, papasok na si Esperanza.
Swipe. It's a good play to come out of a timeout to break that momentum of LaSalle. Urdas is back. 15 serving, 16. Desiree Dadang doing the honors.
Naalala ko before, yung ganun din, yung two reliable setters inside. Yung FEU yung meron.
Oh, yes,
diba? So,
yes.
Dian Semana and another setter. Iba iba talaga when you have two excellent setters.
And I remember yung labanan ni Semana and the setter of Adamson University.
Serafika.
Naku, ang gaganda ng mga labanan nun. Maganda rin itong labanan na to. 15-16, mahabang rally na itinapos ni Michelle Gumabaw behind the fake of Mika Reyes.
Well, you know, when DLSU was down in the set, they turned to their combination plays, and yun naman, now they're up by 2.
Look at the flick of that wrist. Kasi wala, out of position pa nga si Michelle, but her wrist guided that ball back down.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Francis. It's all in the wrist. Kahit na hindi ka in the best position, pero kung may flicking of the wrist, yung bola, ganun pa rin. Pababa.
Pablo, good attack there. Finding a spot to keep in step here with LaSalle. 16, serving 17.
Well, strong front line now for the Lady Bulldogs that they really have to take advantage of. You have Urdas Santiago and Nepomuceno in front. Oh.
Tried, but that's beyond the antenna, which is out. So we're tied again. Myla Pablo. And I agree with Anton Rojas when he says that she's probably the most improved player this year. There's no question about it. There are a lot of candidates, but at the rate that she's going, unless she totally dips from here on in, and if there was an official award, it probably would go to her. So far, at least, so far in the season.
Yes, you know why? Generally, when you say that, diba? Kasi si Mile, nandiyan na siya last year eh. Pero parang di mo napansin,
wala,
diba?
Oo, tama.
Tama sa net yun, agawin mo na agad. May pagkakataon kayo maago yung bola. Papatamahin mo sa net. Ano laban natin? Ha? Kasi wala tayo. Nasa harap eh. Kaya naman natin pumatay ng bola eh. Bakit ayaw natin umisis? Pinitin na kayo tasan tapos lumlock tayo. Tingnan nyo kung anong klase ng spike na binablock nyo. Kahit awkward eh. Pilit natin inaabot yung bola eh. Ano gagawin nyo? Tatapingin lang sa kamay nyo. Pag nakaposisyon ng tama yung spike, ipasok ng kamay. Pag wala, yun, no? No! So, imepesa na tayo.
The extreme close-up that we got of Coach Ramil de Jesus only underscores the intensity of that timeout as may nag-aaway po mula sa UST. Si Romela Tunay nandito pa.
Sikat, their former libero.
Intense din yung sabunutan dun, ha?
Isa kasi sa Enyo, yung isa sa Lasal. Very close match, kaya ganyan.
Pablo na naman.
You know, going back to Myla Pablo.
You were saying, yes.
Yun nga eh, di ba? Last year, she was already part of the team. Pero you did not notice, di ba, na she's part of the team. Pero this year,
parang some people actually think she's a rookie.
Oh, pero now, yung impact na nangyari sa kanya, starting for Coach Francis, ibang-iba eh. Totally different Myla Pablo.
It's a good combination play, and Maraño able to get that through a couple of blockers. Let's see that again. And you actually anticipated it, Mosey, but nakahiwalay eh.
And you cannot do that. Alam na alam ni Abigail kung saan dadalhin yung bola. And Rizal has been going to combination plays.
Ay, masyado mataas. Going was there. Back set, Kumabaw. Kai. Again!
And the miscue once again on the attack. The second time it happened.
And that's crucial because now they give a 2-point lead to LaSalle.
Maayos naman na i-set up ni Kai, but hindi, yan yung dyan papasok yung pag-uusap inside, the communication inside the court. Oh, this time, yan ang combination from NU.
It's a great attack by Maraño. She knew they were scrambling. And now they get a free ball, a chance ball. Easy over, translated to this. Somebody hit the net, and it's from National U. Coach Francis will call a timeout for sure. On cue. Let's listen to him. They're down 3.
Relax, masyado tayo nang gigigil. Gusto nating kaganuhin eh. Ha? Ilan ang lamang? 3. Kaya nating habulin dyan. Sa anong paraan? Dahan-dahanin natin. Point by point. Di-receive tayo ng maayos. Malakas yung harapan mo. Gamitin mo. Okay? Dinadaan na naman kayo sa pagganong-ganon sa gilid-gilid, oh. Naintindihan, ha? Ang problema natin, pagbalik ng bola, wala na tayong play. Okay, again. Hindi mo yan, ha? Matanggay niya ka, ha? Tapang, national.
May pressure. Kailangan magpatangke niya ka.
Matapang ka.
Pag nagkakabiti ka rin, kailangan matapang ka din.
Paano pag Ilonggo?
Oo, kahit
Malambing
ako, malambing ka.
Oh.
Eh, si Phil Kainglet yan.
Oo, kaya nga. Better first ball. Abby is asking for it, but they go to Chu and is blocked.
Well read by NU.
Count them out yet. By the way, the men's volleyball team of NU is undefeated.
Yeah, beating USD, I think, in
right?
the last.
Right. They swept through the first round. So, you know, the improvement of the program in general for National U has translated also. Alam naman natin nangyayari sa kanilang juniors basketball and seniors basketball. Pero ito, abante na naman ang 3.
This time, si Chu naman off speed.
Off speed.
Look at that move.
Just the right height.
Over the blockers of NU. Oh. Oh, you knew it was coming.
Wow.
You knew from the first ball.
Perfect height. Perfect setup. And I want everybody to see the wrist of Dindin. When yung sinasabing na nakapatong sa bola, yan po ang ibig sabihin nun.
That's how you want a quick hit.
Oh, boy.
You want to be on top of that ball.
No, the blockers were out of sight. But the lead is still with LaSalle, though, at 2. Too low.
To the net.
Now it's Coach Ramil probably who will call a timeout here. Let's listen in to the defending champions.
Papigilan lang natin to, makaulan tayo sa 23.
Let's go.
3 lang yan. O lumisip tayo ng tama, sa dalawa spiker mo, kung ng paraan natin. Gawin ito, tinan mo muna yung kamay ng vlogger. Medyo pag-alam mo na kung pag-ibig, pag-angat, talo ka agad. Hindi mapupwestuhan ka. Okay? Dito.
That timeout was more to halt momentum of NU than anything else. Really
Correct.
wasn't.
Kaya nga sabi niya, makuha lang yung 23. Just, you know, again, halting NU and their momentum.
State University students, so here, watching this quality game between LaSalle and National U. Neither team giving an inch, Mosey. Only well, Coach Ramil got his wish.
Yep. And
Wala kahirap-hirap.
yun lang ang problema, si Tintin ang nagbigay.
And
Ito naman.
crucial 2-point lead.
Again, different situation naman this time for NU. Sila naman yung down by 2 at the latter portion of the set. Let's see now how they will.
Kaya.
Oo.
Kapitan. Yan po yung mga linggo. Ordaz has, stepped up after that, the initial part of this game where she was committing errors. Ordaz has been a little more productive here.
Going back in to her game and Tergum. Pero, of course, again, they expect much more against Lasal from Ordaz.
Nobody in front of Mika Reyes, Mosey. Surprisingly.
She really makes it look so easy. Dali. Parang, yun ang again na parang premeditated. Alam niya na kung saan niya dadalhin
Former Saints goal. Stand out. Si Mika Reyes.
Parang si Zire, di ba? And si Phil.
And Phil. That's why it was interesting that Phil and Mika got into something in that last matchup. Back set. This time, LaSalle read it. Too close to the net. They're trying to swipe it out. Nope.
That was actually the plan kanina from that timeout that si Maranyo wait for the blockers to come down and swipe it off. But it didn't work this time for the LaSalle.
LaSalle's not yet out of the woods. It's still a 1-point lead. But NU serving. Usually, I'm afraid to say it, usually a good server.
Okay, pwede na.
Pwede na. I'm afraid to say it. Baka ako maka-jinx eh. Ako pa ang sisisihin eh. One more. Chance for NU. And they go to Dindin, nabitin. Okay, another chance for NU. Who are they gonna go to? They go to Kai. Who power tips it through. Ay, napatawa na lang si Coach Francis.
At hindi huminga. Hindi nakahinga dun sa series of plays coming, or walang play. But Kai Nepomuceno,
Didn't go through her palm, so it's not...
nanghinayang si Coach Francis doon. No blocker eh.
Buti na lang.
Buti na lang talaga. That still turned out gold for itong si Nepomuceno.
24 all. Chance for National U. Another chance. Perez goes to Pablo. That's it.
Pablo gets
That's it. Nagulat ang Lasal doon, Mosey. That was a great play by Perez.
That's right. Look
Nobody
at this.
there. Humabol, pero
ang laki na space
wala
for
na.
that down-the-line hit. So, in spite of being there, ang lakas lang talaga ng palo na yun. It's the perfect spot.
Wow, 25-24. Nail-biting volleyball action on a Saturday afternoon. Galang. Chance for National U. Pablo. Dadang said it wrong. Fajardo is back. That's NU getting the point.
Via block from the Lady Bulldogs, Kai Nepomuceno. Look at this, boom. That was well read by Kai.
How about Kai in this game, huh,
Yep.
Mosey? In the last two sets, she has saved this National University team at the end. And your question, Mosey, can they come back from being down towards the end of the set? Well, they proved it in that one. They lose the first 25-20. They win 25-23 and 26-24. On to the fourth.